Vibrant, long-lasting flowers begin with nutrient-rich, balanced soil. However, exposure to airborne pathogens, pesticide residues, and soil depletion can weaken plants, causing wilting, discoloration, and shorter bloom cycles. Powdery mildew, a widespread fungal disease, compromises leaf health, weakens stems, and reduces yields, leaving flowers more vulnerable to environmental stress. Terreplenish is the natural solution. Our powerful blend of nitrogen-fixing microbes restores soil fertility, strengthens plant immunity, and promotes vigorous root development. By converting atmospheric nitrogen into a plant-available form, Terreplenish reduces reliance on synthetic fertilizers while outcompeting harmful pathogens that threaten flower health. Flowers grown with Terreplenish develop stronger stems, richer colors, and longer-lasting blooms. Cuttings come earlier and more consistently, increasing marketable yield and improving overall profitability for growers. With healthier plants, flowers have improved post-harvest performance, extending vase life for florists, retailers, and consumers. Unlike synthetic treatments, Terreplenish is completely safe for bees, birds, and butterflies. It enhances biodiversity and attracts pollinators, creating a balanced, thriving ecosystem that supports sustainable floriculture. Give your flowers the foundation they need to thrive naturally. Stronger growth, longer blooms, and lasting beauty, all while reducing input costs and supporting the environment. Grow beauty naturally. Visit terreplenish.com.